Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're going to start by verifying the essentials so fixes behave predictably. First, sign into your Microsoft account and confirm a stable internet connection. Wi-Fi can be flaky, so use wired if available. Once done, make sure system date and time are correct. Then run Windows Update and install any pending patches because store components often depend on them. Finally, close the Microsoft Store app and any installer processes, and confirm you have enough disk space and app permissions before moving on. Next, repair and target the Store app itself so updates can resume. Open Settings, go to Apps, find Microsoft Store, choose Advanced Options, then click Repair. Try Update and only reset if repair fails because reset clears data. After that, run WS Reset. EXE to flush the cache. Inspect the Store download queue and sign out, then sign back in to refresh credentials. If problems persist, run the PowerShell re-register command for the Store package to restore missing components, and then restart Windows to apply changes. Finish by confirming network and system services that the Store relies on are functional. Restart the background intelligent transfer service and Windows Update service because stalled transfers often block app installs. Make sure VPNs or proxies are disabled temporarily and check firewall rules. Sometimes endpoints are blocked. If updates still fail, run System File Checker, SFC/Scano, and DISM Restore Health, or create a fresh user account to see if the issue is profile specific. If nothing works, one key tip: capture error codes and search them for targeted fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.